So this is our first Kia K5 turbo, 4-cylinder. I'm gonna let you guys hear it before we do anything to it. Go ahead. It's as quiet as a mouse. Again. Rev it, rev it. Oh, he is revving it. And it's still quiet. It's the GT line, K5, Kia. As you guys can hear, my voice, or can't hear, that my voice is louder than it, which is crazy. Okay? So that's what it sounds like before. We're gonna put a high flow secondary cat, resonator delete, and muffler delete. We'll let you guys see after. I'll show you on the undercarriage in a second. So this is the 2020 K5 by Kia. It's a turbo. This is what the exhaust looks on it like. This is a new design that we haven't seen before. Where this is the catalytic converter, the secondary, and then it's built into the resonator right there. I haven't seen one. This is the first one I've seen like this, and I've been doing exhaust for a very long time. So just want to let you guys know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it off, put a high flow cat in its place, so we can eliminate this resonator. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back into a stock muffler right there. We're gonna do a muffler delete also, because he wants to get as much sound as he can from it, because you guys heard it before. It's very, very quiet. And it is a K5, and then he's gonna have a blue flame tip right here. So we'll let you guys see the finished product in a second. Hope you guys like it. GT line, K5, fully loaded. There it is. That's what it looks like before. There's the resonator cat set up together. So we showed you guys before what it looks like and what it looked factory. Gonna let you guys see after. There's the new high flow cat right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe instead of the resonator. Then we continue 2 1/4 original stock, and we did a rear muffler delete right there. That's how you do the muffler delete on those. There's the old muffler, and then 4-inch blue flame tip, burnt tip. Everybody names it differently. I always call them blue flame. Right there. That's how you do a muffler and resonator, and upgrade the catalytic converter on it, the secondary. Let us know what you guys think of the look and the sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there'll be a link for the tip and the cat in the description, hopefully, if we find it. Guys, there's what it looks like now. I like it. It's nice and clean. Go ahead. Oh, we can actually hear it now. Got a crackle to it. That's you, bro. That's perfect. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. 98.1. That's perfect. Man, this thing's badass. You used to look the inside and stuff on it. It's a really nice look. Kia really stepped up. I like it. K5 GT line. Let you guys hear it on the inside. It's got a sport mode. Here it is with sport mode. Yeah, that changed the sound. Not bad. Again? This is in sport mode, guys. Not eco, so it's sport mode now. Kia K5. Look at that line, man. That's awesome. They really stepped up their game on these cars, man. It's so beautiful. Interior and everything, too. Really luxurious. Hey, put it in sport mode. He's gonna get it tinted next. Can't go wrong with a four-door sedan. That's not bad at all. And it's straight pipe. That's awesome. Hope you guys like it.